Hello IGNU learners and a very welcome to all of you yet again on this channel. आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे टर्म एंड एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ जून 2021 that is MEG 06 American Literature. So this video is going to be about the detailed paper analysis of this particular paper, that is American Literature. So as per the instructions, we need to attempt only 5 questions in total. Question number 1 is compulsory for us to do, and all of the questions carry equal marks. So we have been allotted 3 hours for completing this paper, and the maximum marks is 100, and each question is of 20 marks. So the first question here is write a critical note on the Harlem Renaissance. So this particular question has been taken from the background of this paper, that is American Literature. So Harlem Renaissance, in this particular question हमें ये बताना है that what is this movement, that is Harlem Renaissance, when it started, what are the factors that caused this Harlem Renaissance. So basically this is a African and American movement. So in that block of Toni Morrison's Bluest Eye, in that African American literature block, this is the most important subtopic. So from that subtopic, they have asked a critical note or a detailed note about this movement. So this is one of the most crucial and one of the most difficult questions from the entire paper, so to say. Now the second question is about critically examine the predicament of man in 20th century industrial revolution as reflected in the hairy ape. So second question has been taken from the American play that is written by Eugene O'Neill, that is called The Hairy Ape. So here in this particular question we need to talk about the predicament of man of the 20th century industrial revolution. So this play is actually about the most significant themes regarding the deterioration of man, and basically also highlights about the facts regarding the industrial revolution. So all that we have to explain this particular in this particular answer or question. Now question number 3 is write a critical comment on the ideology of Puritanism in American literature. So this particular question is also taken from the background. So Puritanism is the first block of American literature paper. So here we have to talk firstly about Puritanism, that what is Puritanism as a term, what is this movement all about in American literature, and then we have to talk about the ideology of Puritanism. The next question, that is question number 4, is about imagery in Emily Dickinson's poetry indicates meaning effectively. Discuss. So this particular question is a repetitive question. This particular question has been asked in the previous year papers also. So basically in this particular question we have to talk about all the imagery that has been used by Emily Dickinson in her poetry. So she has written, I think, about 7 or 8 poems in this particular section. So all of these poems and the imagery that has been used by Dickinson, we have to explain in this particular question. Now next question number 5 is write a short note on the Indian context of American literature. So this particular question is also from the background. So overall if we see that we have got 3 questions from the background. So in this particular paper, 3 questions have been just asked from the background of American literature. So fifth is also about the Indian context of American literature in block 1, that is about Puritanism and the background of American literature. From there, this particular question has been asked. Now, question number 6 is discuss the changes that occurred in American prose during the Civil War years. So, this is taken from American prose section, and we have to highlight all of the changes that have taken place in American prose per se during the Civil War years. So this was also one of the difficult questions from the entire paper. Now, the seventh question is write a note on characterization in the Scarlet Letter. So, this is one of the direct questions and one of the easiest questions of the entire paper, that is American literature. We have to write just about the major and minor characters of the Scarlet Letter, a novel by Nathaniel Hawthorne. Now, last question, that is question number 8, is identify and briefly discuss two major themes in Hemingway's short stories. So, we just have to talk about two major themes in Hemingway's short stories, that is a clean and well lighted place. So, that is the short story that has been written by Ernest Hemingway. That is also one of the most remarkable and one of the most renowned short stories of his entire collection of short stories. So we need to write about the two major themes in that. So the two major themes will be about existentialism and nihilism, or the concept of nihilism. So these are the major themes. Apart from that, alienation is also one of the key theme in Hemingway short story, that is a clean and well lighted place. So we can discuss any of these major themes from this particular short story. So overall, if we see the analysis of this particular paper, then the paper analysis of this particular paper will be, it is varying between easy to moderate. So it also has easy questions like question number 7, which is a direct questions, and also question number 4, question number 2. But there are also some difficult questions like question number 1, that is Harlem Renaissance and Indian context of American literature, the Puritan ideology, and about American prose. So these are few of the difficult questions from this entire paper. Rest of the questions are easy to attempt.
So this brings to the close of today's video. If you liked it and found it helpful, then do click the like button, share, subscribe, comment, and keep supporting to this channel. All the best to you and thanks for watching.